Smoke ganja and meditate, yeah man. Early morning, sun start rise. Birds are sing like paint the skies. Me step barefoot on the earth cool. Draw for me chalice, me spiritual tool. Me roll up herbs in banana leaf. Me give thanks for life, me soul find peace. No nice, just breezing at the tree. Meditation come naturally. Inhale the smoke, exhale the pain. Feel the roots flow deep in our brain. Me sit by river, me heart beat slow. Me see your face where the waters flow. No phone, no screen, no fake delight. Just me and I and the holy light. I chant a psalms, me call your name. For wisdom, guidance, no money game. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. Higher meditation, make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta no fear, we no sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herb a healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Me Empress Bay within the grove. She pick herbs fi with temple stove. She say love is sacred, pure and slow. Me say yes queen, let it grow. She like the fire, boil bush tea. We chant together in harmony. We no chase cloth, no chase fame. We live Ital clean in Jah name. Me feel Jah when me plant a seed. When rain fall and cleanse me need. Me hear truth in every drum. In a silence wisdom come. Me no need church fi connect to source. Me walk with Jah, me stay the course. Me draw me herb, me close me eye. Me spirit float to Zion high. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. Higher meditation, make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta no fear, we no sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herb a healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Every puff, a vision clear. Me sight ancestors, them draw near. Them whisper truth from long ago. But how we rise when we stay low. Me burn me herbs in a sacred rite. And dreams reveal in a silent night. No rush, no worry, no enemy. Me free in a disarray. Na 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 na. Ganja with reggae music, yeah man. Inna me yard where the herbs grow free. Under the moon and tamarind tree. Me plant me peace, me water soul. Me dig in a earth and me feel whole. No Babylon light, just sunbeam. No concrete cage, just river stream. Every morning me greet the breeze. Chant of psalms and rest in ease. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me live simple, give thanks for name. One love, one pot, Ital flame. Cook with spice and ancient name. Me meditate in a early light. Me puff the chalice, mind take flight. Sound a bird and I a bingy drum. Me heart beat like ancient one. Welcome to Rasta Garden, where love are the only pardon. Come sit, come reason, come ease. Smoke the herb and feel the peace. Me say grow what feed your soul. Sing what make your spirit whole. Rasta Garden your worry, feel alright. Me see youth them lost in digital smoke, but me burn the green fit truth evoke. Inna the roots me find me way. Listen to the trees when them start fi pray. Me nah need clock, me move with sun. Me time divine, me rush fi none. Me play the rhythm with natural hand. From style to sound, me overstand. Them ask Rasta, why you always smile? Me say, me live for each holy mile. Me garden feed me belly and mind. Me herb elevate and me vibe kind. No poison food, no plastic beat. Me walk barefoot pan just street. Rasta life are roots and bloom. Me spirit dancing at the moon. Welcome to Rasta Garden, where love are the only pardon. Come sit, come reason, come ease. Smoke the herb and feel the peace. Me say grow what feed your soul. Sing what make your spirit whole. Rasta Garden, place of light. Rest your worry, feel alright. Me share me seeds with me nearby youth. Teach them style, teach them truth. Music and farming hand in hand. Me build the future with sound and land. Me nah preach, me live example. Show them peace, show them humble. Each verse a vine, each note a root. Each beat a fruit of reggae fruit. So when life stress and storm blow hard, come to Rasta yard, come guard. Me pour your tea from bush me pick. Me chant a healing slow and tick. Light up chalice, let go fear. Inna the garden, Jah always near. Zion echoes call you home, where Rasta never walk alone. Na na na, at Bubat and Sweat Kaya man. Me rise early when the sky still blue. Chalice light up, me thoughts feel true. In a bamboo grove, me soul retreat. Bare footstep, cool earth beneath me feet. Me draw from the pipe, exhale me pain. Me chant melodies in a smoke and rain. Bird them sing, tree them sway. Me heartbeat in a Rasta way. Bamboo talk, me listen keen. Them whisper secrets seen and unseen. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Each breath a blessing, each puff me know. Me vision clear, no mist in sight. Me float in rhythm, hold your light. Me burn me fire in sacred shell. Me meditate where silence dwell. In a bamboo meditation, me find peace, me find vibration. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me sit in circle with me brethren them. Drum beat rise like lion anthem. We pass the pipe in reverence. Smoke curl up like incense. Me speak of dreams, them speak of stars. We talk about healing, about ancient scars. Me nah need screen, me nah need phone. Me need the forest fi feel me own. Every leaf a teacher, every root a guide. Me overstand nature, me nah hide. Me soul in tune with bamboo's bend. It flex but never break me friend. So me live like that, humble and wise. Grounded in truth, high in the skies. Me burn herb not fi run away, but fi connect deeper every day. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me tread the land with no distress. Me heart beat strong, me soul feel blessed. Me meet the elder with eyes so deep. Him say, me youth, the mountain steep, but hold your name and burn it clean. Me see enough things that now fi seen. So me sip me tea and chant me rhyme. Me reason deep, me lose all time. Me not preach but me speak from heart. Me words are spark, me vibes are art. If you're lost, come sit beside. Light up spliff and ride the tide. Me give you rhythm, me give you flame. Me give you Rasta with no shame. From bamboo roots to clouds so high. Zion echoes, echo in the sky. No. Babylon no stress, ganja help my soul, yeah man. Jadan Jalan. Raindrops fall pon the zinc rooftop. Me roll me spliff and no stop. Me girl asleep on me chest so warm. Thunder roar but me whole her calm. The fire inside still blaze so bright. Even though the sky lose light. Ganja scent and loving eyes. Me float away under stormy skies. No makeup, no show, no lie. Just her and I, real vibes high. The drops of rain I wash we clean. We love more deep than any dream. Roots in the rain, love still grow. Even when the wind a blow. Rasta heart and Empress soul. Together strong, together all. Drip drop fall, me still feel peace. She hold me tight, all pain release. Jah plant the seed, the love it stay. Roots in the rain, no fade away. We cook at all food, pon fire cool. Coconut still warm me soul. Me Empress laugh when me sing off key. But still she say she love me melody. We talk about Zion, talk about dreams. About little youth and river streams. Me roll the herb while she chant a psalm. Rain still fall but the vibe stay calm. Even in thunder Jah love remain. Even in hardship we never complain. A simple life but rich in sound. With each heartbeat me love rebound. Roots in the rain, deep them go. From mountain top to valley low. Me hold her hand, she hold me heart. One love flow, we never part. Rain pan roof but light within. The herb and she a cure me sin. No diamond ring but me soul she claim. Together we stand in Zion name. She plant basil, me plant thyme. The garden grow in just time. Each drop of rain a blessing come. Each thunder clap a holy drum. She dance barefoot on muddy ground. Laugh like breeze and spin around. Me sit and watch with grateful eye. Thankful for love, me can't deny. She no need gold, she no need throne. She make me hot, feel like home. And even when rain a beat the floor, me love her deep and me love her more. No morning come and sun arise. She still asleep with peace in eyes. Bird them sing and tree them sway. Another blessed Jah given day. Me give thanks for the storm last night. For show me love in darkness bright. She no run when things get tough. She ride the wave, she strong enough. So me light the chalice one more time. And praise the Most High for the sign. Roots in rain and still them thrive. Me love her more each day alive. Roots in the rain, still them rise. Like just sun in morning skies. Me Empress real, me Empress true. Me heart belong to share me crew. Even when the world feel cold, our love stay young, our soul stay old. From rain to shine, we always grow. Roots in the rain, that's how we know. Even when the world feel cold, our love stay young, our soul stay old. From rain to shine, we always grow. Roots in the rain, that's how we know.
Na 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 na, jamba with coconut, yeah man. Na 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 na, jamba with coconut, yeah man.
Early morning mist, still rest on hills. Me light up the fire, me soul it fills. The chalice pass round like sacred rite. Me eyes close tight, me spirit take flight. Me no smoke for hype, me smoke for ear. Jah whisper truth right in a me ear. Each draw a prayer, each puff a chant. Me reason deep in ganja plant. Me sit on rock under mango tree. Me hear the ancestors talk to me. Me breathe in love, exhale me pain. Me mind now float like healing rain. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the smoke rise up so gentle. Meditation deep like drum. Rasta art, here I come. Sacred flame and sacred herb. Me chant me psalms, me soul disturbed. No stress, no war, no fight. Just higher reason in the night. Me roll me spliff with reverence. It teach me patience, teach me sense. No rush, no ace, no greed. Just balance roots and what me need. Me see me life in clearer way. Me give thanks more every day. Me see me brethren as myself. Me value vibes more than wealth. The herb reveal me inner sight. Me dreams become me guiding light. And in a silence me overstand. Jah never leave, Jah hold me on. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the rhythm slow and mental. Drum and bass them chant along. Each note a healing, holy song. Sacred herb, me heart align. It bridge the space between flesh and divine. No Babylon inside this space, only love and Jaja grace. The night come down like velvet shawl. Me sit in circle, me brethren call. We reason deep till morning light. We burn the herb, we seek insight. The stars align, me mind expand. Me walk through Zion, in a sun. No church roof can hold this vibe. The sky above, me real tribe. Me chant me name, me chant me faith. Me no worry, me no wait. In ganja smoke, me vision born. Me rise again, each blessed morn. Me no need palace or gold ring. Me find me truth in simple thing. A little fire, a ganja leaf. A reasoning full of soul relief. Me honor herb for what it do. It bring me close to what is true. No pills, no doctors, fee my mind. Just natural smoke and Jah design. Me share me weed, me share me light. Me share me joy in the night. And when me leave this earthly shell, me spirit rise, me soul rebel. Ganja Temple, sacred ground. Me soul it rise with every sound. Me chant, me blaze, me elevate. Me link with Jah, me resonate. So build a fire, pass it round. Let peace and unity be found. This ritual, me daily bread. Me burn the herb, me soul be fed. Reggae Reggae music brings peace in the world, yeah man. Wake up and sunrise glow. Pack me bag and me ready fi go. One guitar, one drum, one draw. Me ride the wind without no law. From hills of Jamaica to coast of Spain, reggae rhythm run deep in a vein. Every stop a smile me find. People of earth, heart and mind. Me roll a spliff under a olive tree. Meditate pan life so free. Me see a youth in a desert land. He play na ya bingy with gentle hand. Me say brother this music true. He say Rasta love it live in you. Language different but soul align. Chant together time to time. Zion road trip forward still. One world sound, one heart will. From Kingston Street to Cape Town light, we blaze the fire through the night. No bother, no fear, just the vibe. Positive frequency keep we alive. Zion road trip, ride with me to the place where soul feel free. Me link with elders in Morocco sun. Them show me herbs, them pick by hand. Me mix the mint with mountain thyme. Inhale the earth, feel so divine. Drum beat echo through the cave. Ancient chant make me brave. Me carry the fire from place to place, spreading unity, roots and grace. In a Paris, me jam in a metro. Guitar lick sweet like calypso. Crowd gather, vibe explode. The rhythm break every chord. From rooftop dance to seaside fire, we celebrate life, we lift it higher. Herb in a chalice, sound in the ear. Rasta ride on everywhere. Zion road trip forward still. One world sound, one heart will. From Kingston Street to Cape Town light, we blaze the fire through the night. No bother, no fear, just the vibe. Positive frequency keep we alive. Zion road trip, ride with me to the place where soul feel free. In a Tokyo, roots man spin. Old school vinyl, rubber dub in a the din. Me toast one verse, him nod and smile. Reggae bridge over 1,000 mile. In a Brazil, me sight the light. Samba mix with roots ignite. Me heart full, me spirit wide. Me walk Japat, me got the guide. So when me reach back on island ground, me bring the story in sweet rhythm sound. Me sit and rock and chant again. For all the people me meet again. The Zion trip, a lifetime ride. Through island mist and ocean tide. If you hear this song and feel the call, come ride with Rasta, come on, come on. Na. Jah bless the Rasta nation, man. Yeah, man. Me wake up early, sun kiss me face. Birds are chanting at the morning grace. Me stretch me arms like tree in bloom. The earth a a healing tune. Me boil me roots, me sip me tea. Me pray to Jah, fi guide me free. Me walk barefoot through morning dew. Me feel the pulse of life brand new. Me nah need diamond, me nah need fame. Me riches grow in Jah name. Each bite of fruit, each leaf me steam. Ital life like sacred dream. Me heartbeat Ital, no chemical war. Pure from the soil like Jazz avatar. Me soul dance clean, me body stay bright. Ital in me blood, Ital in a delight. Oh, oh, Ital heartbeat in every step me feet. Me kitchen smell like ancient ground. Turmeric, thyme, and herbs profound. Me stir me pot with Rasta on. Each spice a prayer, fi overstand. Me bless me food before me bite. Ital feed me inner light. No meat, no poison, just what grow. Me follow Jah, me spirit know. Inna me yard, me plant me greens. Spinach, callaloo, healing beans. Me love the dirt pon me fingertip. Each harvest come with jammanship. Me climb the hill when world get loud. Me find peace in the highest cloud. Spliff in a hand, me thoughts them slow. Ital vibration start fi flow. No judgment here, just clean intention. Me board me sage, fi soul redemption. Meditation like river stream. Ital man, live him dream. Ital beat like Naya Bingi drum. Pure and deep, it never done. Rhythm in a belly, melody in mind. Ital soul of Rasta kind. Me sing Ital heartbeat in every herb me eat. Me gather me youth round fire glow. Me teach them how the Ital grow. Respect the land, respect yourself. True wealth come from natural health. We dance to drum, we chant in circle. Me tell them story in a miracle. Oh Rasta live, oh we stay true. No plastic vibe, just morning dew. Me queen a smile, she prep the dish. Ital stew pan coconut wish. The moon rise up and bless the sky. And Jah whisper, true firefly. So live Ital, love Ital, breathe Ital too. It's a way of life for me and you. Smoke your herb, but clear your mind. Ital living, make you kind. Me heartbeat dance to earth drum call. In Ital life, me rise it all. Me nah follow trend or fleeting fashion. Me live with roots and righteous passion.
Ay, 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 ay. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me rise before the sun come up. Me sit by me window, drink from Jah cup. Me inhale the herb, exhale me stress. The silence talk, me mind find rest. Me chant psalms in a belly of dawn. Even when road rough, me heart stays strong. Me nah follow Babylon, run them race. Me walk Jah road, me find me pace. Me nah complain, me overstand. Blessings come with the work of hand. Me nah get tired, me nah get weak. Jah had the strength that me soul seek. Rasta never tired, no. Even through fire, me rise higher, yeah. Meditation and the Kaya light guide me footsteps through Jah night. Rasta never tired, oh no. Me soul keep moving, steady flow. Me drum beat deep like mountain call. Even when me stumble, me not fall. People rushing, system pushing, but me spirit stay cool, never crushing. Them run them car, them chase them goal. Me light me spliff, me story unfold. Me sit pon sidewalk in a downtown heat. Me reason with elder, me stay discreet. Me learn from silence, me hear Jah voice. Me walk Ital path, me conscious choice. Me queen she strong, she cook Ital stew. Teach the youths how love come true. Even when rain come hard and wild, me shelter the flame, me hold Jah child. Me nah need Red Bull, me nah need pills. Me climb me mountain with natural skills. Me burn me sage, me beat me drum. Even when them say me time no come, me pray for Babylon but me no bow. Me plant me seeds in sacred ground now. The moonlight guide me in a map. Me nah lose faith, me nah fall trap. Rasta never tired, no lie. Me reach the stars without try. Herbs in a pipe, thoughts in a flight. Me live Jah truth day and night. Me beat Nyaya Bingi till morning break. Me give more love than me ever take. Me nah stop chant till system fall. Me answer the call, me give it all. Zion no far, it in your soul. It no need passport, it no need toll. It at the place where love reign free. It live in roots, it flow like sea. Me carry Zion in a me song. Each verse a wing, each note stay strong. Me build a temple with bamboo frame. Me cook Ital food, me call Jah name. Me smoke me chalice under the moon. Me heart in tune like reggae tune. Me nah sleep on Babylon bed. Me dream awake, me stay ahead. So when the world feel heavy and rough, me remind myself, me soul is tough. Me trot through fire, me smile through rain. Me dance through sorrow, me heal me pain. Rasta never tired, never fade. Me tune still strong like a razor blade. The beat still deep, me breath still long. Me voice still chant, redemption song.
Aye, aye, aye. Meditating at the Ganja Temple, yeah man. Me rise with the sun pon me face. Me hear the drums in a sacred place. Barefoot walk through morning dew. Me feel Jah love in all me do. Banana tree and callaloo. Me pick me food, me heart feel true. Me no rush, me take me time. Every step a sacred rhyme. Inna the hills, me start me day. Me chant me thanks and then me pray. Rasta Road, I head so long, but me strong like Naya Bingi song. This a Rasta Road, me trod alone, but me spirit carry home. Ganja bone, me thoughts align. Every step a link to divine. Sacred path, no shortcut here. Me forward with no doubt or fear. Me heart it drum, me soul it sing. In every breeze, me feel Jah King. Me meet a elder under fig tree. Him say son, the road not free. You have to keep your soul intact, no matter how the world react. Him pass me chalice, me take a draw. Me vision clear, me overstand law. Not the law of man, but of nature true. Of balance, roots and sky so blue. Me reason deep with ancient man. Him story stretch like desert sun. Him speak of struggle, him speak of peace. Of how the herb brings soul release. This a Rasta Road,
trod in love, guided by the stars above. It no easy, it no quick, but every mile me spirit pick. Every leaf a sacred sign, every stone a message divine. Me travel light but me carry flame. I've Jaja love, me chant him name. Nightfall on the hills again. Me build a fire, me ease me brain. Me draw me pipe and look to sky, and hear the wind start testify. Me child it whisper, hold your way. Keep firm and never stray. Me close me eyes and float inside. The universe now be me guide. Me dreams like rivers flow and bend. This journey it will never end. No destination, just vibration. A soul immersed in meditation. Me no eat no flesh, me mind stay clean. Me all a joy that can't be seen. It no come from wealth or pride, but from peace me feel inside. Me wash me locks in mountain stream. Me live me truth, me wall me dream. Each sunrise bring a brand new song. Me know this road will make me strong. Me chant alone, but not in vain. Me voices echo in your name. Each heartbeat drum, each breath a tone. Me walk through Zion all alone. This a Rasta Road, me blaze it bright. Me soul a touch, me steps a light. No fame me seek, just irie ground, where freedom's roots and love abound. Ganja smoke, rise to the moon. Me soul it dance to ancient tune. Me journey long but me never tire. Me footsteps shine like Maya Bingi fire. Ganja sweet kaya man. Me wake up early, sun just rise. Me give thanks for life, me open me eyes. Steam from the chalice, me take one draw. Me feel just spirit, me stand in awe. Me no walk like sheep, me walk like king. Me know me roots, me crown me bring. Babylon push fear, me push peace. Me burn them lies, me chant release. Me nah beg friend, me trust Yahweh. Me blaze me path, me light me day. The lion no worry about them trap. Me heartbeat dub, me soul stay strapped. Lion trod with head held high. Through smoke and storm, me still fly. Me no back down, me never stray. Me walk the roots, me walk Yahweh. Me chanting rain, me dancing flame. Me nah look likes, me nah want fame. Me only want truth, me only want life. One draw of peace, no need for strife. Ganja is key, ganja a guide. Open me soul and clear me pride. It's not just smoke, it's meditation. A tool for break manipulation. Me sit pan rock, me sight the tree. Me reason with leaves, them talk to me. Me grind it slow, me chant me line. Me give thanks, me feel divine. Me no lost in cloud, me find me mind. Me let go hate, me stay aligned. From Ethiopia to jam down shore. Rasta chant, still strong, still pure.
Me fire burn from deep inside. Me no play small, me no run hide. Me carry touch from ancient time. Me lyrics real, me flow like rhyme. Me there for teach, not just perform. Me sing through silence, me ride the storm. Me voice a sword, me words a seed. Me plant the truth and uproot greed.
Lion walk through concrete street, but me steps still sacred, me heart still beat. Me light, me chalice, me lift, me soul. Me trod through life, fi reach your goal. Me nah stray, me nah bow. Me stand tall right here and now. Lion's way is path of flame. Me move with love, me chant your name. Me carry me locks like tree bear fruit. Me deep like sea, me firm in root. Me reason daily, me stay alert. Me protect me temple, me nah get hurt. Me know them system no one we rise, but Jah eye depend we look to skies. Me walk with earth under me feet. Me link with sun, me soul complete. Me travel the world but me never lost. Me carry Zion whatever the cost. Me no need plane for reach me place. Me find it through prayer, through smoke, through grace.
So when you see me blaze and smile, know me fight war in a humble style. Me no raise gun, me raise vibration. Me bring one love for every nation. Lion asleep, lion just wait. For time fi rise, fi clean the state. Me walk with herb, me walk with drum, and me sing till kingdom come.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Cushion of the bung, yeah, man.
Me rise up early, hills them blue. Birds them a sing like them no truth too. Steam from me kettle, curl like cloud. Jah whisper in breeze, not too loud. Me sit pon the rock, me eyes them close. The wind attack in poetic prose. A spliff in a hand, me soul it roam. Me temple na concrete is mountain me home. Can you hear the mountain call? A voice so ancient it shake the wall. Breathe the smoke and feel the drum. Nature speak and wisdom come. It's not just weed, it's sacrament. A portal open, me soul ascent. Me nah run fast, me trod with grace. The mountain teach me Jah's own face. Underneath the cedar tree, me learn say freedom no come free. It's not just ganja in a my palm, it's balanced love and sacred calm. Me sight a lizard, watch me move. Even the creatures them feel the groove. Me wrap the leaf like ancient scroll and blaze a message from me soul. Me hear them say Babylon bright, but me prefer the moonlight night. Me nah need gold, me nah want praise. Me just need truth in a natural ways. Rasta na comfy entertain. Me comfy cleanse the heart from pain. Me chant and burn the holy flame. Me nah play hype, me nah seek fame. Call out the mountain, echo strong. Through the smoke and sacred song. Me feel the wind, it carry me thought. To Zion gate, me vision caught. Blaze the pipe, me mind expand. Me see Jah work in sea and land. Steam rise high like Rasta man prayer. It floats to Jah, yes, everywhere. Me sit in silence, eyes them low. Time slow down, me spirit glow. Me see string grind, me bread a light. Together we chant through the night. Me hear the Naya, bingy sound. In every rock, in every ground. The rhythm natural, the bass is deep. Me meditate until me sleep. A journey start with bare footstep. Not in a city where hearts forget, but pon the trail through roots and vine, where man and earth align divine. Me leave the stress of modern day and find me peace the Rasta way. A sip of tea, a touch of breeze. Me soul find rest, me heart find ease. Can you hear the mountain cry? It sing of love beneath the sky. It call me back to source and root, to plant me soul like sacred fruit. Steam and rhythm ocean through breeze and sky. So me go with bag of herbs and heart of fire. Me trod up hills, me rise up higher. With one last draw and a humble sigh, me whisper Jah guide beneath this sky. Na dreadlock swinging your man. Nightfall come, me sit alone. Stars above, me far from phone. One drop beat, me thoughts them slow. Inhale deep and let it go. Chalice in a hand, me close me eyes. Me mind drift to the endless skies. No noise, no war, no city fight. Just Jah light and peaceful night. Fire flicker in a moonlight breeze. Me soul exhale, me spirit ease. Ganja scent wrap round me dome. Me body here, but me mind gone roam. One drop dreaming float away into the airy Milky Way. Meditation, hold me tight. Ganja light, me soul tonight. No Babylon, no stress in sight. Me only need these stars and flight. Me rhythm pure, me heart so free. Me float on rhythm like ocean sea. Steam rise from the roots of earth. Ganja bless, me feel rebirth. Me hear the rhythm in me vein. Each heartbeat drum like jungle rain. Me no need no riches or gold chain. Just me plant me drum and nature playing. Every puff a step more near to the inner world. Me also dear. Birds still sing in a distant tree. Even them feel Jah energy. Me thoughts them dance in harmony to ancient sound and melody. One drop dreaming blaze the fire. Rasta chant, me soul rise higher. Me no sleep, me levitate. Me float on rhythm and meditate. Me leave behind all worldly game. Me hold to love, me call Jah name. The ganja plant, it lead me way. One drop drum, a guide me stay. Silence loud like thunder roll. When me listen deep inside me soul. No distraction, no illusion. Just me heart in sweet fusion. Me sight a vision, glowing bright of Zion hills and morning light. Me chant a psalms, me feel the breeze. Me soul now sailing across the seas. Every leaf a sacred sign. Every breath a link divine. No clock, no pressure, only flow. Me drift where only Rasta know. Me walk alone, but me never alone. Jah dey with I, me skin to bone. Me spirit dance, me footstep bless. No more fear, no more stress. Me roll another, me eyes half closed like mystic priest in sacred robes. The rhythm guide, me thoughts align. Me swim through space and cosmic time. Me no run from Babylon now. Me just float, me high like cloud. Me voice a prayer, me words a key. Unlock the soul, set me free. One drop dreaming, stars me bed. Reggae rhythm in me head. Me now wake till morning rise. Me drifting deep through moonlit skies. Urban heartbeat blending one. Me soul a spark beneath Jah sun. Me no escape, me elevate. Me live, me love, me meditate. A child hot in a the bang, yeah man. Light up the chalice, me open me mind. The smoke rise up, leave the world behind. Inna the hills where the silence sing, me hear the call of the Rasta King. Me not chase riches, me chase vibration. Each puff a journey, each breath salvation. Me third eye open, me vision clear. Jah whisper truth, me long fear. We fly high on a mystic plane, beyond the borders of worry and pain. Roots deep yet stars in sight. Lion guide we through the night. Mystic high, me soul take flight. Me chant in a darkness, me shine like light. In a the clouds, me spirit roam, but me heart always find home. Me burn the Babylon lies one by one. Let them fade like mist and the morning sun. Me levitate pan rhythm like leaf and stream. Each stone a portal, each base a dream. Me dance with the ancestors, chant them name. Call them in circle, call them with flame. Smoke her like serpent, wisdom wide. Me inhale peace, exhale the pride. Me nah last, me just elevated. Them call it high, me call it sacred. Is not the herb make you blind or slow. It's the world that lies bout what you know. So take a draw and close your eyes. Me show you lands beyond the skies. No passport, no plane, no ID card. Just ganja leaf and Jah as God. We fly high on mystic ride. Zion calling from deep inside. Rootsman vision, ancient code. Me carry the fire, me walk the road. Mystic high and it not fade. Me meditate where lions laid. Echo in a mind, thunder in chest. In the smoke me find me rest. Me nah fear death, me nah fear man. Me only fear feet forget job plan. So me chant, me write, me build again. A temple of dub in a heart of men. Me sip coconut under stars so wide. Me reason with moon, me nebula guide. The cosmos listen, me soul respond. Every rhythm a bridge, every note a bond. Lion fly through sky. Harp so sweet, me nah ask why. Truth in smoke, love in sound. Hung in a mystic high, me Jah is found. Zion roots. We born in the struggle, we born in the fire, but we rise up higher with hearts full of desire. The system try lock we down, put we in chains, but we break through the walls, no matter the pains. Me ancestors guide me with wisdom so pure. They say stand tall, me child, my promise is sure. Me see the lies, me feel the betrayal, but we rise from the ashes, we break the veil. We walk through the storm, through the darkest night. With the strength of Jah, we step in the light. Me feel the power, me feel the call. We rise as one, we answer the fall. We rise from the ashes, we rise with the flame. No matter the trials, we call Jah's name. In every struggle, in every fight, we rise together, we stand in the light. We rise from the ashes, we rise up tall. We rise with the truth, we rise from the fall. In the fire, me spirit born. We rise from the ashes, me soul reborn. truth of Jah, we've been surrounded. Them build them lies, but we see the cracks in the heart of the system. It all fall back. Me not bow to the fake crown, the golden lies. Me rise with the truth, me reach for the skies. Me spirit a warrior, me mind is clear. Me stand tall, me not show no fear. Them try fi break we, them try fi control, but we rise again with a stronger soul. From the ashes, we break through the chains. We rise in the light, we stand for the change. We rise from the ashes, we rise with the flame. No matter the trials, we call Jah's name. In every struggle, in every fight, we rise together, we stand in the light. We rise from the ashes, we rise up tall. We rise with the truth, we rise from the fall. In the fire, the spirit born. We rise from the ashes, my soul reborn. Me feel the power in every breath. We rise above the fear of death. Me see the light, me feel the truth. We rise as one, we bring the youth. The fire burn but we never fade. In the ashes we find the trade. Me feel the love, me feel the might. We rise from the ashes, we step in the light. We fight for peace, we fight for unity. In the struggle, we find immunity. Me see the power in the people's.
Ay, 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 ay. Rasta man in the hood, yeah, man. Them tell we say diamonds are shine, but me say, give me the herb and sunshine. Gold and silver can't feed soul. Them build prison, me walk jaguar. Me not in a no Gucci cloth. Me wear me roots, me bond them fraud. Me step on earth barefoot and strong. Me sing for Zion, me chant me song. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Me plant me seeds and wait for feast. Me na run race fi who a drive Benz. Me ride with them, me build from friends. Give me roots over riches, love over fame. Me trod with lion heart, me bun them shame. Inna the hills me smoke and pray. No mansion coulda buy me way. Me rich in spirit, me wealthy still. Cause Jah provide and guide me will. Me no need 10 chain round neck. Me need coconut and a chair. Me no beg like span social screen. Me live me life like reggae queen. Me sweep me yard, me grow me food. Me singing key, me change the mood. Me dep a mission, no competition. Me bring the healing, the real nutrition. From Portland coast to Kingston yard, me carry roots music like old postcard. Them try to sell culture like a brand, but me live it real, hand to hand. Me wealth no lie in vault or bank. Me store it in rhythm in ganja plank. Me measure success by calm and joy. Me chant with elders, me build not destroy. Me write with ink of discipline. Me pen me life from deep within. Me no shame fi cry, me no afraid fi feel. Cause real Rasta man a move real, real. Give me roots over riches, truth over hype. Me sit in silence, me bun the mic. Me rich in faith, me filled with love. Me step on Babylon, rise above. Me wealth not fade like fashion way. Me trod with drum and smoke all day. One little spliff and me rising light. Me nah wait for no Friday night. Every day me reason with Jah. Me nah wait for stage or camera. Me cook Ital with fire stick. Me sing ya bingy when rhythm kick.
Me teach me youth about balance and breath. Me tell them money can't buy debt. Them system flashy but empty still. Me choose the mountain, me choose Jah will. Me heart is full, me belly fed. Me sleep in peace, no fear, no dread. So when you see me humble and calm. We born free but them send we code. Plug-in system, download road. But we now walk, no program path. We rise like sun, we burn them rat. Them got camera in the sky, but me spirit fly higher than high. Them send signal through pocket device, but me mind sharp like prophet advice. We live in a matrix built for numb, but we chant wake up, beat like drum. Me see youth scroll all day long, but never learn where them belong. Them sell likes for mental peace, but your love now come with lease. Me say every swipe build more chain, but me tune crack through that brain. Me say Babylon use the Wi-Fi net fi trap the soul and make you forget. Forget your roots, forget your name. Forget the struggle, build the flame. Digital chains can't hold me mind. Lion brain think out of them line. System try fi control me way, but Jah light guide me every day. We not blind, we not tame. Even in code, we chant we name. Digital chains can't lock we soul. Me heart beat deep like Congo roll. Them take we data, sell we self, but knowledge sleep on dusty shelf. Me say, wake up from artificial dream. Life now live through glowing screen. Me granny say, pick me read stars. No youth read pixels from afar, but still me chant, fi overstand. Fi plant the seed, fi heal the land. Me nah trust no algorithm face. Them replace love with digital space. Them say AI know me my best, but AI can't feel heart in my chest. So me burn Babylon illusion. Me chant roots, real fusion. We not made fi clone or click. We made fi reason, made fi stick. Come you forward with open mind. Leave behind what them define. Come you dance fi truth and fire. Let go the phone raise you desire. Every chant a rebel wave. Every line a soul fi save. Me now whisper, me now fade. Me build rhythm like lion parade. Digital chains can't hold me mind. Lion brain think out of them line.